MIHV, in my opinion, is an organization which works with community members to improve on their health standards, but it seeks community participation first of all.
In remote regions of Uganda, vital health services are severely lacking. For decades, Minnesota International Health Volunteers has been working in these underserved areas, providing assistance to the Ugandan population that needs it most. Through projects in nutrition, goat rearing, family planning, malaria, and HIV/AIDS, Minnesota International Health Volunteers has touched the lives of hundreds of thousands of Ugandans.
This MIHV was the first NGO in Zimbabwe. MIHV has really done some very good work within Zimbabwe district.
MIHV's mission is to improve the lives of women and children and their communities around the world. In Uganda, MIHV accomplishes this through the development of volunteer community health workers. MIHV identifies respected community members and trains them to educate the population on matters of health, malaria treatment and prevention, family planning and safe motherhood, and HIV/AIDS awareness. The volunteers take ownership of the projects, making the interventions sustainable long-term. Jude is a carpenter and is an MIHV-trained community health worker.
We received the workshops on different activities, seminars, we received the talks, group discussions, and last time we were in nutrition, now we are in family planning, and I think in the next time we may be in HIV.
Ebange samusa mukola ki kuzaala tubayigiriza nga mwandikoze ki nga mwandisaanye okukola ki okukolamu methods of child spacing nazo tuzikola ki
terina obuzibu family planning yakuyambibwa abakyala n'abaami babayamba okubasala ensette.
We are working in schools. We work with teachers, we work with students, we are working with drug shopkeepers, we are working with community immunizers, we are working with the nutritionists around. But ever since these people got MIHV training, they have continued to stay in their communities and in fact giving health services to their respective communities. You'll find that most of the projects which we started very long ago are still continuing. So the more MIHV works with the community members, the more sustainable its programs have become.
Minnesota has contributed so many programs in our community. For me, I can say that Minnesota is maybe is my second mother. Now I can inject someone, I can teach, I can say those health talks. And I have a promise in my heart that if there is any program in Minnesota, they can train in me.